What up, my peeps? Let me get some lights on in here. My name's Tucker, and I'm your YouTube investigator slash beginner for sure. Just got his ass kicked like everybody else, so don't feel like you're by yourself today. If you lost a lot of money, or if you've been losing a lot of money the last few days, you're not alone. And if you're invested in certain stocks, you just should not even worry about this, for sure. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'm going to talk about these news or some news that's out dealing with Workhorse. But before I start, if you like these videos, push, it'd be cool if you could push the like button. Sorry. That would be great. Let's see, where are we today? I'm almost done with this journal. Like, seriously. I started here, and now I'm done here. Got like 2 pages left. So, Workhorse stock massive news crash. Yeah. USPS news. Buy the dip. I'm going to talk about how to trade Workhorse, or how you could. And here's the news. I'm just going to be blunt and direct. Workhorse officially did not get the USPS contract. Another company got it. And that company's ticker symbol is OSK. And they were up either $6 or I haven't even looked them up. I don't even know what they are. But that was a super DL hush hush one. So this is the notes I wrote down. Workhorse did not get the USPS contract. It was at it's $16.46. It went down 47% today. That's a lot. It's so much. It's almost 50%, half of what it is. So, double that and a little minus, shave off a little bit. At 10 o'clock, it was $26.42. Somewhere around 3 p.m., there was just a significant sell-off when I looked on the chart. You can do that too. And that was the news that it didn't receive the contract. So everyone got out. Workhorse had a great run till today. But, ARK Invest is still holding. And as you know, I've been talking about ARK Invest forever. Like since I've started this entire video show. About Cathy Woods, my girlfriend, my princess. That's like, the boss. And she's just so, oh my God, I love her. I'm sorry for you guys that if you did have shares of Workhorse and you lost some change today, it's gonna be okay, because I can tell you that based off of my experience with knowing that ARK Invest, and when they invest into a company, they put a lot of thought and time into it. And their analysts, if you don't know, are from like Facebook, Nvidia, like they've got the top analysts working for Cathy. So, if you want to hold on to Workhorse for the long run, for sure. And who knows, another company might pick it up. That was just one thing, the USPS contract, big deal. There's so many other that's a catalyst. There's so many other catalysts that could happen to Workhorse. Workhorse just happened to just not get it, and that's fine. So You know, it sucks, but look, I'm lost money today. We all were down today. If you're in Tesla, you got down today. If you're smart, you made some money today off Tesla. You can swing to trade this company, Tesla or Workhorse, now, or you might see this stock going down even further. But people lost 70 to 80% of their money. So this is a small video. That's it. Next video I'm going to be talking about, which will be uploading right after this video. It's going to be talking about how to build a new portfolio for 2021 if you had cash right now, because of this bloodbath and everything's just so cheap right now to buy, and it's all going to bounce back. It just takes time. And I'm going to talk about CCIV and what's the other one? Hyliion. So there's some good stuff to hear. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace. Tuck notes. Late.